Good morning friends and welcome back to another vlog. Today is moving day and I am already stressed. Basically the big plan for today, my brothers and I are gonna meet at breakfast at 8:30. I'm gonna shout them breakfast for being absolute legends and helping us move. We're then gonna go and pick up a moving truck at 10 AM and then I'll probably just explain the rest while we're doing the things because I don't want to bore you with just me standing here telling you all the things. I'd rather just show you later on. But I thought I'd give you a quick overview of the house because it is so empty. Oh, I have to remember to get my loofah out. I keep forgetting. Gotta take this with me. So this is an overview of my room. My bed, I haven't made it because we're gonna have to unmake it to move it anyway. But my desk is gone. All my plants and stuff are gone. Hello. My wardrobe is empty, which is so strange. And my drawers are empty. They're all in the garage. And my bathroom is all empty as well. The lounge room and dining room still has all of our furniture because obviously we're moving it with the truck today. But all of our belongings are all gone, which is so weird. And I have moved most of the stuff into the garage just so that when we get the truck we can open our garage door and be like 2 meters away from the truck, so it's less work for us today. So that's what I basically did all day yesterday. I don't know why, but I just feel like something is gonna go wrong today. I feel like something with the truck is gonna go wrong. I don't know if I'm just being dramatic or if I can see the future. I'm just gonna try to chill at breakfast and try not to stress. The day is gonna go however it wants. What matters is how we react to what happens. Ooh! Also, Rachel is working from 6 till 2 today, so straight after work she'll be coming home and finishing off helping us move. So we're gonna do the majority of the moving this morning, and then when she gets home we'll do her last load. I'm just really excited to do this with Rachel. Yesterday was really fun because it felt like it was like a joint thing and we're moving into the house together. So I'm really excited to get home tonight and unpack with her and live in our house. Tonight's our first night in our new house and I'm so excited. I'm trying to be excited more than I am stressed, but I get stressed very easily. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna go to breakfast. I'll talk to you there. We're at Cafe 63 for breakfast and I just ordered the El McPherson, which is what I normally get, and they don't have ciabatta anymore. Ciabatta bread. Are you joking? I'm so upset. I told you guys I knew something bad was gonna happen today. This is it.
I'm just filming B-roll, you know.
Squishy! Oh no. Do you remember that ad?
No.
They got the Samoan dudes, they all squishy. Not so squishy!
Please, not so squeezy.
So we went and picked up the truck and now we are... Bill! What are you doing there? We're at my parents' house because I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys in a previous vlog. My bedroom only has one wardrobe, and at my parents' house I actually had the exact same IKEA wardrobe. So I'm buying it off my parents and putting it in my new room right next to my other wardrobe. So hopefully when they're next to each other it'll look like one big wardrobe. This is my old bedroom. Oh, that's my formal dress. This is a drawing I drew Dad in preschool. That's his love heart and that's Jesus in his heart. I was the cutest. Hey Dad, I was the best child. Do you agree?
No comment.
Got the whole Richards clan. Woohoo! Literally, that's it.
Essentials.
I think it's going to be so dirty behind it.
Why do you do that literally every time?
Spotty sheets from Kmart.
Target, you loser. They don't get... Can you not take it?
Right.
Take this, take this, get out, take it. Out. Hey, quit!
Are you glad?
Can I help?
You carry it. No, I don't
all
want
of
it.
it.
You take it. You take it.
Oh my goodness, it's so dusty. Yeah, it looks real sturdy.
Moving house is fun. Welcome to my moving vlogs. Why not? Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. You're not even throwing them at me. Alex, you are actually a joke.
I'm actually covering my lip. I can't even remember the last time I spoke to you guys, but I am now in Bunnings trying to look for some extension cords. I have no idea. I'm definitely not in the right aisle, but our new house doesn't have very many power points and they're not in very good spots. So I need to have an extension cord running basically halfway around my room to reach my bedside table. So I need to buy a really, really long one. I'm in the wrong aisle. Where do I go? And I refuse to ask for help. The power point I'm plugging this into is behind my wardrobe, so I want to get a flat one instead of a big bulky one with a ring on it, if you know what I mean. And this one is 10 meters, which I feel like surely it can't be longer than that. Okay, here is my Bunnings haul. As I showed you guys, I got this massive extension cord and I also picked up some white spray paint. I feel like there's been so many times in my life I've been like, wow, I really need some white spray paint, and I've never gone and bought it. And I actually brought over this lamp in the corner from my parents' house, and I have always wanted to spray paint it white. So I finally went and bought some, and that is it. That's all I got. I'm gonna plug the extension cord in, try and set up my room a little bit more. It's 20 to 7. I just don't even know. I'm just gonna do what I can and update you later. It is now 9 p.m. and it is the end of a very long day. I'm so excited to be showered and hopping into bed, but I'm gonna head to bed. Good morning. I am so comfy right now and so warm. Can you hear those birds right now? That is what I woke up to. I need to get up. Good morning, friends. I kind of spoke to you when I was half awake, but I don't remember what I said. But it is Sunday morning. It is currently just hit 7 a.m. and Rachel and I are at the markets at Rachio, and we're gonna go in and look for some plants for our new house.
I look like I've had a rough night. Just went to bed at 9 p.m.
Literally. Anyway, we're gonna go in and get some plants, hopefully. If I don't see anything that I really like, I probably won't.
Yeah,
but
I'd rather just come here first.
yeah.
Because it will be cheaper here.
I just mainly want a big tree plant thing to go in the corner of my office next to my desk. So that's what we're looking for.
And I want a hanging plant for our living room.
Yes. So this is the plant I ended up going with. It's a type of peace lily, and these leaves are huge, reference. But I think I'm gonna get a stand to put in this corner. Probably not a big one, but just a little one to give it a little bit more height. And I think it'll look really nice in this corner. Yeah, in a nice pot, obviously. Woohoo! It's now almost 9:30-ish, and my brother Bryce is coming back over to our house with the moving truck. Rachel and I are looking more presentable than we were yesterday, so we're gonna get a couple of photos of the moving truck for the thumbnails of our vlogs, just YouTuber things. And then I'm gonna follow my brother to the moving truck place so that I can drive him home. This is not important information. This is not fun. After that, Rachel and I are gonna go shopping, and that is the fun, exciting part. We have a lot of stuff that we need. It's not necessarily like fun shopping. We have a list. Some of it's fun, but some of it's just like garbage bags and
Washing detergent.
Things that we need to survive in this house for the next like week or so. We both want to do a little bit of grocery shopping today because our fridge is completely empty. So that's kind of the plan for the rest of the day, and obviously bring you guys along. Very excited. We're now in Kmart and it's an absolute mess because it's a Sunday. First of all, we finished up at Costco and that was also a mess. Oh, I found them. But we're just getting some boring necessities from Kmart. We're getting containers and coat hangers and command hooks so we can hang things on our wall. But we just finished up at Target. This is my basket full of stuff. But we're now heading to TK Maxx to pick up a bath mat. I'm not in focus, I'm really sorry. And then we're gonna head to Zarappa's, I think, and get a coffee because we are both struggling so hard.
I'm so like over everything right now.
We just keep being like, wait up, don't up.
So searching wait for people. So
we both just like look dead.
we're both just like.
I'm currently in the middle of Woolworths doing a really boring grocery shop. I'm in the cleaning section at the moment picking up some wipes. We need some dishwashing detergent. I think I'm gonna do my full massive grocery shop tomorrow for like food and stuff because as I said my fridge is empty, but we need like cleaning stuff. I'm going to show you the quickest grocery haul you've ever seen in your life. It is overexposed because the lighting in this house is that good. As I said in the grocery store, I didn't do like a full shop. I just picked up some things for me to eat tomorrow. And then I think tomorrow morning I'm going to go before work maybe. I don't know. It depends how much sleep I get. But I just got some sweet chili chicken tenders to put in the air fryer and have in my wraps. I got some eggs. I got some toothpaste and some deodorant. I got some vanilla yogurt and some dishwashing liquid. This stuff's really boring, but I got some chucks. I got some scourers, some wipes and some garbage bags, and then I got 2 punnets of strawberries as well. I got both of these for $1, like $1 for 2. Incredible. But that is all I've got. I'm going to quickly pack this away, chill for a sec, and then Rach and I are heading to church tonight. I'm just in the office and I have a little bit of time to kill before I head to church, so I'm gonna try and plan out my week a little. I don't know where my good pen went. Yes, it's right here. Never mind. My roster for work came out yesterday, so I can write in my shifts, and I have a couple of things that I know that I want to get done next week. Obviously next week is just going to be such a crazy week because we've just moved in and there's still like last minute things we need to do at the other house, at this house, and work and YouTube and all of our other commitments just keep on rolling on like nothing's changed, which like that's just life. But I feel like I need to get my life sorted a little bit. I'm just gonna write my planner, a couple of things. We need to organize bond cleaners and stuff for our old place. I need to sort out internet for this place, and I need to cancel our internet for our old place. There's just so many things that need to be done. And I go back to work tomorrow. Holy moly. Okay, BRB. This is my outfit for church. My top and my jeans are both from Princess Polly. I've never actually worn this corduroy shirt before and I think it's really cute. I don't really know if I've styled it well. Yeah, I don't really know. And then I just have my white Vans on. My brother gave me these Vans for my birthday and I wear them every chance that I get. They're the best. Would 10 out of 10 recommend. Very comfy, very cute. Got the essentials. Let's go. It is now currently 9:30 and we just got home from church. We went to supper afterwards and it was really, really fun. I was definitely planning on having an early night, but you just gotta live your life, you know? I don't know if this is the end of the vlog or what's going on. Is this my last moving vlog? Who knows? Yeah. Good night. Good night, Ruby. But this is our second night in this house and it already just feels so homely and I just feel so comfortable and so happy here. Not that I wasn't happy before, but you know what I mean. Like it's just a new environment, and for something so new and unknown and out of routine, I feel really like at peace and like comfortable and happy. So my normal week in my life vlogs are gonna resume tomorrow, but for now I really hope you guys enjoyed these moving vlogs. Thanks so much for coming along for the ride. This is such a crazy fun time in my life and I'm so glad that I have so many people to come along with me on the ride and be so supportive and happy, and I just appreciate your support more than you know. So I love you so much. I'm gonna go to sleep in my new house and I will see you in my next video in the very near future. Bye.